everybody, it is Tasty Lacey. Yes, I have been gone for a minute. I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all. I have been thinking about y'all. But I have been busy at work. And of course, I've been lazy too. But anyway, today I've made homemade stuffed bell peppers. I seen on Bloveslife this morning. I was like, oh, I want to try stuffed peppers. And that's my first time trying it. You're making it anyway. And this is what it looks like. So don't judge me but I usually do Stouffer's bell peppers. So yeah, but I checked her video out this morning. So today is Friday. Happy Friday. You'll probably get this late Friday night or Saturday morning. So yeah, go check her video out. And she also has an older video, she says, about how to make the stuffed bell peppers. So go check that video out. And I was proud of myself. I already tasted it a long time earlier today when I got off work. I already made it and stuff. So I got leftovers. I have yellow pepper. I had an orange pepper. And I got some green peppers left over. And a red pepper. So yes, it was really good. So I got leftovers. And also I have a glass of wine. Happy Friday. And it says every hour is happy hour. Dollar Tree, y'all. But I went to Dollar Tree the last week. I don't really see any cute glasses. So I don't know what's going on. I'm going to try to go back tomorrow. I'm off Saturday, so I'm going to try to go to Dollar Tree and see if they got some more wine glasses. And this is rosé from Bay Bridge. So $2.99 at the Kroger liquor store. So if you're interested, try that. It's really good. It's almost like a sweet. It's not sweet like Moscato, but it's good. So cheers to that. This it keeps falling over. But this has hamburger, onions, garlic, minced garlic. Let's see. I use spaghetti sauce, diced tomatoes, a can of diced tomatoes, rice. Of course, you mix the rice in with the hamburger and stuff when you get everything mixed together. But yeah, just check her channel out. And of course, you add your cheese. I got the mozzarella, a little bit of Taco Bell mixed cheese in with that too, and a little bit of Velveeta on top. So yes, and it's good. I like it. And I got my oregano. What else? Other spices I use? I used oregano, onion powder, garlic powder. She said a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and I think that's it. What else I put in that? I think that's it. I probably add a little bit more. And I used flakes, chili pepper flakes, and something else. I forgot. I just use a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just make it your own. And I was proud of myself when I first tasted it. I was like, okay. Okay. So that's what it looks like when I cut it open. I don't know if you can see all of the cheese. Well, the cheese is in there. I don't like a lot of cheese, but it's in there. But I like a lot of, like B-Love says, she likes a lot of meat and cheese, but I like a lot. I like it. I like the meat and the rice. I like rice, and I used white rice. She said you can use any type of rice you want. I think she used Spanish rice in the older video. So yes, let me give y'all the first bite. Now this is going to be the first time I tried the yellow pepper. Now the orange pepper was really good. I already know with see, look at that cheese. You see that cheese? That mozzarella. You see it? Mm-hmm. You see it? You see it? They're like, come on, Lacey, take a bite. Look at that pepper. Ooh, Oh, I can't get it, y'all. Uh-oh. Okay. The cheese. That's really good. Oops. Look at it, fell apart. Look at that. And I also had some hamburger left over with the rice and stuff. And I saved it and put it in a container and freezed it, like Bloveslife says. So you also save it for the next time you want to make bell peppers. This is really good. I'm proud of myself. A pat on the back. Uh-oh. It's going to be messy, y'all, too. You know I like messy videos. I thought I would dress up a little bit. I was getting tired of wearing my PJs. And it's a Friday. I know I ain't going nowhere, but still. Yep. I think there is a big taste difference in bell peppers. Because I always love the green peppers. I know the red peppers is like almost like a sweet. A little bit sweet. Now, this is my first time trying the yellow. The orange is pretty good. I've had the orange before. This is really good. Also, she said you don't have, Bloveslife said you don't have to use hamburger. You can use turkey or whatever you prefer. So, me, I like the hamburger. You use turkey If you're vegetarian. Oops. Sorry, y'all. So what have y'all been up to? I know I really ain't been up to nothing. I heard Georgia is opening up businesses. What do y'all think about that? Leave a comment down below. I think it's really too soon. I know a lot of women. I know us. We want to get our hair did and our nails, but like somebody said, you can do it yourself. Save some money. Why? You can save some money. Don't take that chance, y'all. If y'all live in Georgia, don't take that chance. Stay at home while you can. We'll be out soon. Now, when we get out, y'all, don't be acting too crazy, y'all. Don't be acting like wild animals. Did y'all see that too? Where a kitten got the coronavirus. I was like, oh, I don't know if you, I don't think you're allowed to say it, but anyway, if you seen that, leave a comment down below. I was like, I seen it on the Shade Room. I was like, ugh, I thought the animals couldn't get it. I don't know what to believe anymore. But anyway, I'm done talking about it. Cheers. Happy Friday. Every hour is happy hour. Cheers. Oops. Sorry. Excuse me, y'all. You never what to expect on this channel, so you don't know. You don't know what to expect on this channel. But anyway, I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm a little tipsy, y'all, but it's Friday. The weekend is here, and I'm off tomorrow, so live it up. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.